Nasa bed lang kami. Francine? Francine? She removed her gloves. Francine? Hi po. Hi po. Hi po. May heat rush pa siya. Si Francine namin. May heat rush pa. Uy. Hungry? Wanna dede? You wanna dede? Hi po. Hi po. Mommy Rose is not around anymore. Namumula na. Namumula na. Pula na. Okay. Uy! You fart! You fart? You fart? Hi! 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 You fart? Bah! Bah! You fart? Hi po! Nangutot! Umutot. Sinong umutot? Ako po. Sinong umutot? Ako po. Sinong umutot? Ako po. Ate Ella. Ate Ella. Anong ginawa mo?
Wala.
Nag-cellphone. Ay. You wanna dede? Francine namin yun. Sa baby pa siya, oh. Ngayon, malaki na, oh. Uy! Uy! Wow! Full? You're still full? Hi po. Hi po, hi po. Hi po. Hi po. Hi po.
Sige, pangina.
Hi po. Ibutang lang kitugnaw. Tugnaw na siya. Hi po. Kakagising lang ni Francine po. Sapot-sapot na yan po. Ba. Papa is soon coming home.
High blood. Francine is high blood.
High blood daw. High blood daw, sabi ni ate. Ay. I love watching your face. Hey. Watching yourself. Hey. Francine namin. Francine namin. Hi. Say hi. Hi.
Ano? Ni ano o
Hi. 1 month baby namin nag-hi na. Hi. Hi guys. 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 Walang magawa guys. Antay-antay lang ka papa guys. Oh, Tila, hi. 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 Hi guys. Hi guys. So, hi. 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 Namumula. Namumula. Hi guys. Hi po. Ba. Uy. Oh. Ba, namumupula ng nawong namo, oh. Wala pa nawala sa kainit, no? Init manggod kaayo. Init manggod kaayo. Karon pa ning tugnaw, libog nagsugod. Francine, Francine. Ayun na. Lalabas kami para bibili ng milk ng baby namin. Baby namin. Ang bebe namin. Ang bebe namin. Bibili ng milk. Bibili ng milk. Bibili kami ng milk. Hi. We're ready. We're going out to buy milk for Francine. Bili ng milk, be. Bebe? Oh, bili ng milk. Bibili ng milk. Bibili ng milk. Hi! Say hi! 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 Joan! Hi! Beng, anong nag-gloves-gloves po man ka, be? Di naman unta ka mag-gloves, bino? Tugnaw man good ma. Nilalamig kasi, kaya nilalagyan ko ng gloves. Nilagyan ng gloves. Yeah, yeah. I'm trying to talk. Yeah, I'm a 1 month old. Namumula yung pisngi. Ate Ella. Ate Ella. Ate Ella. Anong ginagawa mo? Anong ginagawa mo? Huli ka. Tingnan natin baka dito na si Papa niya. Yun. Bakit hindi mo kami?
No.
Oops. Bo. Oops. Bo. Ba. Ba. Uy!
What's happening?
She's... Don't worry, I protect you. I protect you from dinosaur.
What now?
Oh. Hi guys. Come on, come on, come on.
Yum, yum.
Wait.
What a perspective.
Hi guys. Hi guys.
Ooh. Ooh.
Hi guys.
Oh, my hands are very big.
Hi. Buh. Look. She's watching the mobile.
Ooh.
Bah. Francine. Francine.
Yeah.
Say hi. Say hi. Say hi.
Don't show your hands. That's your hand here.
Yeah. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. You are... Your hand, other hand, is on your head. Hi. Who's supposed to go out, but was not able to go out? Who? Me. Who? Me. 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 Ella and me. Oh, there's a wash in downstairs, no?
That's nice for you.
Ba? 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 Ba?
You pull your hair.
Ilista guys ay. Dayon guys.
Ah,
Back to barracks. Lai?
Ha?
Back to barracks?
Labang ganin na, gailis na ko.
Mao. So, let's see what Papa got from the shop. Alilay, shopping haul. Frank, come here. Shopping haul. On the lights, switch on the light line. Show me. Uy, big salami. Salami.
Mom, you missed that.
2 salami.
So yummy.
Milk for Francine that we're supposed to get. And 3 milks. The 3.5 and 1.5% fat milk. Ella, say something. So, ayun na guys. Bye-bye. 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 Ate Ella. Bye-bye. And Francine also will say bye-bye. So cold today. Say Francine, bye-bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. That's it, guys. Yung lakad na hindi natuloy. That's it, guys. Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye.